Kels.
Because today we're learning about the endocrine system. So today we'll be talking about the direct gene activation, second messenger system, and all sorts of hormonal...
Before Kelsey continues to ramble on about stuff that sounds Chinese to you,
Sorry.
let's get to the basics. So the endocrine system is a collection of glands and is the second controlling system of the body. It uses chemical messengers, otherwise known as hormones, that are released into the bloodstream to control bodily functions.
So all this talk about hormones, but what are they?
Hormones are chemicals that are produced by specialized cells that are secreted into extracellular fluid and put into blood. When then they are taken to target sites. Once they're there, they regulate the activity of other cells.
Wait, I don't get it.
Basically, hormones are the things that make you happy after you win a game, or sad when you're home alone on a Friday night and watching Netflix and eating ice cream.
Oh, I get it now. So, they sound like they do a lot.
They do! They've been classified into 3 different categories: amino acid-based, steroids, and prostaglandins.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, there are also 2 mechanisms in which hormones act: direct gene activation and second messenger system. Direct gene activation is used for steroid hormones and starts with the hormone diffusing into a plasma membrane of a target cell. Next, it will enter the nucleus, then bind to a specific protein of the nucleus, then to a specific site of the cell's DNA. The activated cell will then result in the synthesis of new proteins.
Oh, that's really interesting. So what about the other one?
The second messenger system, yes, that is used in non-steroid hormones, and a hormone binds to a membrane receptor and does not enter the cell. The hormone then sets off a series of reactions that activate an enzyme. The enzyme then goes through extracellular charges to promote a specific response.
Oh, okay. Now I know everything about hormones. Call me the hormonal queen. Wait.
Yeah, so now that we know all about hormones, we can discuss the rest of the endocrine system. With the production and activation of hormones, the endocrine system controls a lot of processes within the body.
Yeah, like reproduction, growth and development, mobilization of the body defenses, maintenance of homeostasis, and regulation of metabolism. Wow, that does a lot.
Yeah, it does.
So Al, how do all these processes work?
Well, Kels, to answer that question, we need to discuss all the organs of the endocrine system and their functions.
Oh geez, here we go.
The endocrine system consists of many important organs, the first being the pituitary gland.
The pituitary gland? What's that?
The pituitary gland is the size of a pea and hangs by a stalk from the hypothalamus in the brain. It has 2 functional lobes, the anterior and posterior pituitary, and both produce chemical hormones that control various bodily functions, mainly dealing with growth.
Awesome sauce. So what's up next? The hypothalamus?
Yeah, the hypothalamus is right above the pituitary gland. It produces 2 hormones, oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone. Oxytocin is important in labor and breastfeeding, whereas antidiuretic hormone inhibits urine production by promoting urine reabsorption by the kidneys.
Wow, the hypothalamus is really important. So the next major organ is the thyroid gland. What does that do?
The thyroid gland consists of 2 lobes and a connecting cape and is found at the base of the throat. It produces 2 hormones, the thyroid hormone, that is a major metabolic hormone, and calcitonin, which decreases blood calcium levels.
Oh, okay. So up next is the parathyroid glands. What are those, Al?
Parathyroid glands are the tiny masses of the posterior of the thyroid. They secrete parathyroid hormone, otherwise known as PTH, which stimulates osteoblasts to remove calcium from the bones, stimulating kidney and intestines to absorb calcium and then raise the calcium levels in the body.
Interesting. Very interesting. So the adrenal glands are up next. What are those?
I'm glad you asked, because the adrenal glands are a very important part of the endocrine system. There are 2 regions, the cortex and the medulla, and they both sit on top of the kidneys.
Oh, so like an inner and an outer layer?
Yeah, basically. With the cortex, the outer granulated region has 3 layers of its own. The mineralocorticoids, which is secreted by the outermost layer, the glucocorticoids, secreted by the middle layer, and lastly, the sex hormones, which are secreted by the innermost layer. The medulla, the inner neural tissue region, has just 1 layer.
Wow, that's a lot of layers. Kind of like a cake.
Yeah. The medulla is also important because it produces 2 hormones, epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, and norepinephrine. These both prepare the body for fight and flight situations.
Ah!
Ah!
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Okay. I'm pretty sure that A in adrenal stands for awesome.
Yeah.
Anyways, if my sources are correct, pretty sure the pancreas is up next.
You are correct. The pancreas is a mixed gland that is both endocrine and exocrine functions.
That two-timing cheating slut!
Okay. The pancreatic islets produce 2 hormones, insulin and glucose, and they both help maintain blood sugar homeostasis.
Okay, I guess it's alright then. But let's move on to the pineal gland.
You got it. The pineal gland is found on the 3rd ventricle of the brain. It secretes melatonin, which helps establish the body's wake and sleep cycle.
Kels, what are you doing?
Shh! I'm working at my pineal gland.
That's not how it... Never mind. Moving on.
The thymus gland is located behind the sternum and produces thymosin, which is important in developing the immune system.
Aw, it's broken. I'm gonna go fix it. Talk about the gonads, please.
The gonads consist of the ovaries in females and testes in males. Ovaries produce eggs, which in turn produce estrogen and progesterone.
Like this?
Where did you get that?
The fridge.
Go put that back in the fridge. No, that's not it. As I was saying...
The testes produce sperm and androgens, such as testosterone, which promotes growth and maturation of the male reproductive system.
So that's it? We're done with organs?
Yeah!
10-second dance party?
Okay. On a more serious note, there are some severe complications that can happen with the endocrine system.
Oh, pick me. I want to talk about them.
Yeah, it's about time you contributed something useful.
Ouch. But okay. So the first disorder we will discuss is a growth hormone disorder called dwarfism. Dwarfism results from hypersecretions of the growth hormone during childhood. So basically, the growth hormone doesn't do its job, which results in stunted or even halted growth and puberty in children. Dwarfism has no definite cause. Mutations to the genes or damage to the pituitary gland are some possible reasons, though.
Man, that must suck to live with, but I mean, don't sweat the small stuff.
Okay, so look who's not contributing now. Another endocrine disorder is called diabetes. Diabetes is a group of diseases that results from too much sugar in the blood. Either the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin, or the cells of the body don't respond to the insulin being produced. It's a really common disease. It affects over 387 million people worldwide.
Guess you can't sweet talk your way to that one. Get it? Sweet. Sugar.
No, not really. The last disorder we will discuss is called Addison's disease. This results from hyposecretions of all adrenal cortex hormones. This can be life-threatening because the body relies on these hormones to carry out everyday functions. One with this disease will show signs of bronzed skin, weak muscles, and have a greater chance for infection. You got a joke for this one?
Nah, not this time. But, Kels, guess what time it is?
The system song?
The system
Oh,
song!
let's go!
This is it. The endocrine system is the hormones are chemicals. The stuff they do is incredible because they make you feel emotions and they help with the reproduction. Hormones are chemicals. The stuff they do is incredible and they really help you grow. And the song's gonna help you know. Ooh, they flow through blood. They're having fun. Ooh, they flow through blood. They're having fun. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun. The pituitary gland isn't really that grand. Next up is the hypothalamus, listen up class and it's bliss. It produces oxytocin, which stimulates uterine sexual relations. That's right, but we're not done yet, we still got another round. Hormones are chemicals, the stuff they do is incredible because they make you feel emotions and they help with the reproduction. Hormones are chemicals, the stuff they do is incredible and they really help you grow. And the song's gonna help you know. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun. 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 The thyroid gland is the one that comes next. It has two local major metabolic effects. If you have a problem with it, then it will make you fat. The pancreas produces insulin and glucose. The pineal gland makes you sleepy. Adrenal glands regulate electrolytes, and look at that, now we're done. Hormones are chemicals, the stuff they do is incredible, and they make you feel emotions, and they help with the reproduction. Hormones are chemicals, the stuff they do is incredible, and they really help you grow, and the song's gonna help you know. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun. Ooh, they flow through blood. Let me hear you say anatomy. A-N-A-T-O-M-Y, this class is anatomy. A-N-A-T-O-M-Y, this class is anatomy. A-N-A-T-O-M-Y, this class is anatomy. A-N-A-T-O-M-Y. Hormones are chemicals, the stuff they do is incredible, because they make you feel emotions and they help with the reproduction. Hormones are chemicals, the stuff they do is incredible, and they really help you grow, and the song's gonna help you know. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun. Ooh, they flow through blood, they're having fun.
Well, that's about all the time we have. Join us next week for the exocrine system.
And bring cake!